How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Grimm from the Bug Out Boys, and it is review time. And the piece of gear that we are going to be reviewing today is going to be DMT's Diafold Double-Sided Folding Sharpener. It's a little bit of a mouthful, but wanted to get all out there. So why don't I bring you in closer so we can give this piece of gear a thorough look over. Now that I got you in close, as always, there will be a link in the description to DMT's website so you can check out all the technical specs of the sharpener as well as the different variations and their accessories. There also will be a sponsored link through Amazon in case you want to purchase this particular sharpener, and by using that you help support Bug Out Boys, and we greatly appreciate that. But this is how it comes to you. No sheath, very simple and very easy. So let's talk about the positives. First positive is going to be the size. It's very small, as you can see, fits in the palm of my hand, very light, and also very inexpensive. Open it up here for you, and that's what it looks like while it's open. Another positive in this particular model is that you have two different grits. You have the coarse grit and then the fine grit, but if you feel that you want an extra coarse and a coarse, or a fine and ultra fine, there's a lot of different variations on the website, so check that out in case this is not your particular cup of tea, but for me, this works out great. Another positive is that you do not need to use water with this. You can do it dry or with water, no oil, so you don't need to carry oil with you, and if you don't feel like wasting any of your valuable precious water because you're in a dry situation, no need, you're fine. Another positive is that because this is diamond, all the different steel grades out there will still get sharpened very nicely by this sharpener. And I have used this sharpener on my SOG SEAL Team Elite, my Tops Felony Stop, I've used it on my Chogan Tomahawk, and it puts a very nice edge on all of them. And now for the negatives. And I don't really have that many negatives because the sharpener has been doing a very good job for me. And the main negative is more of a caution to the consumer that this is not a bench stone. This is a traveling handheld sharpener. And that means that you are going to have to practice. So if my finger's the blade, you're going to be going like this, and you're going to have to practice to not do this with each stroke and mess up your edge. That being said, I have sharpened my knives and my tomahawk very sharp with this. So just take your time, a little bit of practice of keeping that hand steady so you can keep that edge the same. And then another negative is that this metal is not a very super hard metal. Your knife actually has the ability to cut into this metal and then dig out all of that diamond dust that is doing the sharpening. So if you are too aggressive, if you press down on it, you will actually make the sharpener inert, not be able to work. So just as another caution, just let the diamond dust do the work and just let the weight of the sharpener, and don't dig in. So there are my negatives. And that's what I think of DMT's Diafold Double-Sided Sharpener. And if you enjoyed this review, please do subscribe because there's going to be more reviews, bots, Pioneer Preps, and Bug Out Boy episodes along the way. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below in the comment section because I love to read them, and you know I will get back to you. So till then, take care.